Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. And recently, Lightning Storm Productions hit 1,000 subscribers. So, to celebrate, we're gonna draw the logo of Lightning Storm Productions.
Let's go.
Okay, so we have our piece of paper right here. I have a black colored pencil and some markers as well. I have yellow, black, and blue. So without further ado, we could get drawing the Lightning Storm Productions logo.
Right there.
It's been a while since I said that. Okay, so here's the finished product right here, and I really hope that Lightning Storm Productions actually watches this video and leaves a like on it, just like you are. Maybe writes a nice comment as well. And in return, I say, you're awesome, you hit 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, that's really going to be covering it for today's video. Let me know down in the comment section below if I should draw any other more YouTube logos. See ya!